All right, guys, European Motors again. We got a winter wonderland here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We're getting a few videos out. It's actually a nice balmy, what is it, 15?
I think it's gonna get up to 20 today.
So pretty nice day actually to do some videos. No wind, so that's nice. We got a 2019 Jetta, and this is the SEL. So a lot of these Jettas, you know, they're pretty base and not a whole lot of options. This one is loaded up with tons and tons of features. Lighting package, auto climate, got the big screen in here,
Big sunroof.
and this is full factory warranty
Through July of 2025.
2025. That's a lot of warranty left. Or the miles are what?
Or 72,000 miles.
72,000 miles. So there's the lighting package with the LEDs. If you're getting any flickering, that's just the camera interfacing with the LED technology. But those are basically your daytime running lights. Has a really nice look. I like it's black on black, gives it a nice upscale look. Can't see a whole lot of the tread with the tires, but I guarantee you these are brand new on all four corners because we put them on. So you got a nice new set of tires. I like the look of that factory wheel with the black pockets and the brushed aluminum accents. Got a little bit of wear here on this wheel, but most part the wheels look really good. But it just looks really nice against some of the chrome highlights on the car, which is just enough chrome, in my opinion, to make it look pretty nice and not too garish. It smells nice in here. You got the all-weather Jetta mats. Big old sunroof here. Couple little scratches right there by the door handle from somebody's ring or something like that. Rear heated seats in the SEL. We're going to go over some of the options more, but rear heated seats in a Jetta, you know, I never thought I'd see that, but there it is. So here's the carpeted mats that go with it. This also has the cargo control, which these are just Velcro brackets, for lack of a better word, so you can keep your items there. Tommy's showing you the seat folds down. You got a 60-40 split there, and then these have a spare tire, and I can tell by what else I'm seeing is we've got the audio package in this, because that's a subwoofer right there.
It sounds really good in there.
Another look at the brand new tires. Those are all season. Again, just some wear here and there on the wheels. What's the miles on this, like 50?
51,000 miles.
So you're gonna get a little bit of wear here and there. We're trying to show you what's popping out at us in kind of a 2-minute walk around. But man, that jet black paint is just, I mean, it looks like it's still wet. Looks really good against the kind of white background that we've got going today. A little bit of contrasting stitching here on the seats. Let's pop the hood because this is,
I think this is your favorite Volkswagen.
it is my favorite Volkswagen engine right now. But you know, I also like the GTIs, but this is kind of the practical guys turbo 4 right here. This is gonna get you 40 miles to the gallon. Really easy to work on. We've seen really good reliability so far in our service department with these. But this is, yeah, Volkswagen's kind of new generation drivetrain with the 1.4, and you got the 8-speed automatic, so gets you 40 miles to the gallon on the road. And I actually own a Golf with this drivetrain, and you will see that all day long. Love this thing. Let's go drive it.
Take it for a spin.
$51,602. I'm going to go ahead and start it. We've got keyless start on this, so you can leave your key in the pocket or your purse. We have adaptive cruise control.
This thing is loaded up as a driver assist package, so blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and I know, Pete, you were drooling over the rear heated seats, but this actually has a heated steering wheel as well.
Wow. Wish I had that in my '84 Jetta when I was going to college.
Yeah. Really nice backup camera. This has the digital dash and larger infotainment screen as well, being the SEL. Premium sound system. We'll see if there's anything on the radio.
Bit of Peter Gabriel, and man, that was thumping. You could tell that is a premium sound system in that. That sounded awesome.
This, of course, has your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Dual auto climate, the big panoramic roof. And look at the key here. I'll cheat here, but I am right. This has remote start. It's a nice luxury for Midwest weather we get here, at least.
This car actually has more features than kind of a regularly equipped BMW or Audi, in my opinion. I mean, this has everything that those cars have, but you're not going to see remote start on an Audi or a BMW. But I mean, it's just awesome the way they equip these.
The books in the glove box as well. Of course, if you buy your car at European Motors, we also will go through all the features and buttons with you as well after you buy it. And if you have questions a week or two down the road, answer them as well.
Oh, that heated steering wheel is nice and toasty.
It gets really warm in this car.
Yeah, I'm going to turn that off. I just don't want to spoil myself. Yeah, the heated seats, nice and toasty. I love the auto climate where you can just set it and forget it. Yeah, that is that's probably one of the best heated steering wheels I've ever been behind. That's amazing. Sometimes those heated steering wheels, they're really hot in one spot and not so much in another. It's perfect. Okay, so we'll give it about half pedal. Get it up to highway speed. Really crisp shifts with this 8-speed auto that Volkswagen's using. And you can see, I mean, we're 65 already. And that was, I don't even know if I was giving it half pedal. I was going really easy with it. Goes down the road really nicely, no hands. I'll get on the brakes here. And you can see we've got no brake pulsation, no issues, no shakes, shimmies, noises. This thing's ready to go. So yeah, it's cold here in Iowa, so if you're somewhere warm or you don't want to go out in the cold, we can ship this right to your driveway. You can stay right by your fireplace. Just give us a call and ask us for details on how that works. We just shipped a car actually to the Twin Cities here last week, and we ship all over the lower 48, so ask us for details on how that works. 319-393-8496. I should mention on the Carfax, this did show a little incident. It hit a deer, but it's all been repaired. No airbag deployment or anything like that. So if you see that on the Carfax, that's what that was about.
Title is clean as well. There's nothing on the title, just a minor incident.
Yeah. So we want you to be aware of that, but otherwise it's ready to go. Freshly serviced, Mobil 1 synthetic, and fully inspected, brand new tires. 2019 Jetta, warranty till 2025, or roughly another 20,000 miles. So that's full factory warranty. That's not just a drivetrain thing. Full bumper to bumper factory warranty. Thanks so much for watching.